top story at 4 p.m. on India Today coming in from France. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed and arrived in Evian, France. This is where the G7 summit is being organized. Global leaders from the all-powerful 7 nations, as it's called, have arrived as well. It's going to be, of course, the highlight will be first, the Macron-Modi Milan in just a short while. But also tomorrow, in the next 24 hours, you'll see the meeting, the bilateral that's expected, that is between, on the sidelines though, of course, of the G7, between US President Donald Trump and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's meeting, of course, the delegates, the Indian representatives at the G7. But this is going to be very interesting. And I want just to point out to the viewer, India is not a permanent member of the G7. But it has been invited as a guest country this time. And for the past 8 years, since 2019, India has been consistently invited as a guest nation to the G7. And why is that? Why not other countries as many times? One of the reasons for that is, and India in total has attended 13 times in the past few decades. The reason is India's growing economic power. We have seen that India has been, thankfully, consecutively has seen a rise when it comes to the top world economies. It's also with respect to how India has become not just a voice, but a leader voice. A voice of Global South, a voice for developing nations, a voice not just for Asia, but also when it comes to even the African nations that India has pushed for to be included either in the G20 or even as guest nations when it comes to close to G7 countries as well. And therefore, at this point, India is being seen as a country that can become a partner. It may not be seen among the developed countries, but definitely when it comes to the economies of the world, stability, rise, all of that, India finds itself at the table. Look at that. Visuals coming in from the G7 summit about the top leaders who have started to arrive. The big focus, of course, will be President Trump and Prime Minister Modi there as well. Look at the live visuals also coming in. A short while ago, Prime Minister Modi arrived at the venue, but the ones you see on the right side of your screen, President Donald Trump, President Emmanuel Macron. Let's just dip in for a while to the voices coming from that area.
Two guys that couldn't be beaten, both guys.
Interesting. Remember the top 7 countries that presently are there, and that shows perhaps how the world powers together have gathered at the G7 summit. Just to tell you that the G7, which is called the Group of 7, are major 7 countries that are more industrialized, as they are called. So which are these countries? Of course, the United States of America, France, which is the host right now, the United Kingdom, Japan, Canada, Germany, Italy. So these are the 7 countries. Handshakes and greetings are happening. The focus, of course, will be on the US president. And why is that? In the backdrop of the West Asia war, where Donald Trump appears to have said a peace deal has been signed. It will be officially signed on Friday, if all goes through. But already we see that Israel has been bombing Lebanon, even now. So therefore, what kind of a peace deal has been achieved? And what will be the consequences of that? So the G7, while has been extending the guest list, India continues to be a part of it. And that is where at the grouping where India may not be at this table. However, it definitely as a guest member nation has consistently been a part of important nations. Let's just go across to the voices coming in from on the ground. It appears President Macron is saying,
could you have a look?
Let's just dip into that. Now, interestingly, amid all of that, remember South Africa has not been invited this time, otherwise seen as a regular guest. So what exactly happened? We are told that India, since 2019, considered to be an important guest nation, has been invited again this time. We are waiting for further clarity on what is really the itinerary of it. But it's going to be, of course, we can understand that for Donald Trump to meet Prime Minister Modi during the G7 summit, that of course will be the big highlight. All right, so these are, of course, the starting welcoming visuals and music that we can see on your screen, a formal promotional video. Prime Minister Modi, when he participates in that high-level working session and has been invited as a guest country, the theme of that high-level session is forging new partnership and rebuilding international solidarity. So that, of course, is going to be very crucial. Let's